Okay, so I just got done here on the GN, sealing up the driver's side header and whatnot. Got the new one on, all that bullshit, had it on off 10 times. And got a bunch of spare exhaust parts here, that Dickard one. What do I find? I'll show you what I find. Ow, that's fucking hot. See that? That is a big crack. It just ripped all the, sorry about that. So yeah, it just took all the heat wrap off. Look at that crack. Bad news. Look at that. Right before the O2 sensor. So it looks like we're doing passenger side header and JB weld the cylinder head crack. Okay, so upon further inspection here, aside from getting my lungs filled with fiberglass, I opened up the crack there. That's what it looks like. So probably should have taken the oxygen sensor off while it was still on the car, so I realized that's pretty damn hard to get off now. Fucking things leaking everywhere. And this is the one that's going on. So no cracks yet. This brace here doesn't really look too strong. I'm gonna put another one in there, but the rest of the header's there, I guess. Just keep my fingers crossed and hope for the best.